Hey guys, it's me, Brie, and I'm going to be doing makeup and hair. I'm going to do my makeup first. I have to go out to dinner tonight with my parents. For a little special thing. Yes, because well, we didn't go yesterday, so we're going today. Got a little mirror. Oh, sorry. As you see. Let's see, I can see most of it. So, yeah. Then it's this little thing right here. Let's see, what do I need to use? This is Deco. Deco. You guys can, oops, sorry about that. You guys can read that, you'll understand what it is. For your face. Okay, done with that. Top wrap on this. Put this out the way. If you're wondering what that is, just don't pay that no attention. But no, yeah, that one. There. Well, who cares? And yeah, I'm gonna do eyeshadow. This doesn't have a name to it. So, yeah, I'm gonna be using my finger. I don't know where the brush is to this. So just don't leave any bad comments, rate, and subscribe. I need way more subscribers. Eyeshadow. Can't see that well enough. So should I use the white kind? I think I'm gonna go with this kind. I'm gonna go dark there. See, that might look a little bad, but yeah. Okay. There's that. Kind of does look bad, but I'll redo it later. Then let's see, what is this? Oh yeah, this is for under your eye. Some people may use it, some people may not. Okay, there we go with that. The top. And now it's time for the lip gloss. Bling bling. This is Eyeman. And it's like a, let's say a brownish, reddish color. But yeah. It does have glitter in it. I have no clue where I got all this from, so if you're wondering, let's just say I just get a lot of makeup. Okay, now it's time to do the hair. Okay. It's not nappy. It's straight. And today, I have to wear my hair cute. Because like I said, we have stupid dinner today. So, yeah. And I have to make sure that my hair is looking okay. So let's see, let's pull down the side bangs that I have now. It may look a little weird at first, but you'll understand when I get done, when I get finished. That's not it. way more than this. Hold on. I will be right back, so remain calm. I'm back. It doesn't look like this. Hair on me. Hold on one second. Okay. This video is a little long. If you do not want to watch it, subscribe or rate. You don't have to. You can watch half, comment, and subscribe. But it doesn't matter to me, and it doesn't hurt me. Just say. This is actually at 6 now, all of a sudden. And my hair is going to be in a bun with my side bangs. But there's more to this. So, let's comb that and brush it. So you guys see the little bang part. You'll understand why it takes girls so long to do their hair and makeup. That. Put it on like that, that way I won't mess up my hair. This is a long time. And now, if you remain calm one more time, I'm gonna go get my nail polish so that we can paint my nails. Be back. BRB. Look at the house. Never mind. I don't feel like doing that. And then I'll show you guys what I'll probably be wearing. I probably won't show you now. You'll see if I make another video of me going out to dinner. And if you just rate, subscribe, comment, know that comments. Don't be a hater. I know my hair's sticking up right here. That doesn't even go there. Don't be no haters. Oh, you didn't see any of that. So yeah, like I said, don't be no hater. And don't leave any bad comments, because I can always block you. And I will never block you again. So, peace out. That was hair, makeup, and all that other stuff.